Some ideas start so quietly you barely notice them. They are like a single small spark in a vast, dark room. At first, this spark is nothing, a flicker, a possibility. Most will ignore it. They say it is too small to matter, too weak to grow. But a few see not just a spark, they see the potential for a fire. They imagine warmth, light, and change. Great change starts quietly, with someone choosing to believe. This brings us to a powerful statement. Dr. NICOLAS said, "Pi is worth what pioneers make it worth." This single sentence holds a universe of meaning. It is not just about currency, it is about the nature of value. Value is not found or given, it is built, piece by piece, by those who show up first. Pioneers protect the spark and help it grow. So why do some ideas fade while others light the world? The answer is not the idea, it is the people around it. It needs pioneers to take the first step. When we hear pi, we recall 3.14, a universal constant. But here, pi stands for potential, a placeholder for what could be. It could be a currency, a social platform, a community project, or a way to collaborate. At birth, it has little external value: code, plans, hope. A seed is not a tree. Its value is locked inside. Most judge by today, not tomorrow. Beginnings are fragile and full of questions. Will it work? Will people use it? Early value is speculative, not yet tangible or tested. It needs care, nourishment, and support. Pi is a starting block, raw material shaped by pioneers. Creation, community, shared belief turn ideas into assets. Pioneers are the artists painting the masterpiece. A pioneer is defined by action and mindset. First into the unknown. They try new things without guarantees, drawn to sparks, not flames. They see potential before proof. First users find the issues and keep going. They face skepticism, persist, and teach. They share guides, answer questions, build bridges. Anyone can be a pioneer with small actions. Pioneers are the heart of innovation. How do pioneers turn a simple idea into something valuable? Not magic. Small, deliberate actions repeated over time. First comes usage, a tool, a currency. Without users, no value. Using it casts the first vote of confidence. One action can become a river. Usage creates trust. Slowly, through proof that it works. Trust spreads person to person. Pioneers share honestly and report problems to improve reliability. Testing, validating, sharing. The foundation of dependability. Then the network forms. Value often follows connections. One phone is useless. Two are useful. A million is transformative. Every invite strengthens the network effect. Platforms and currencies gain utility as adoption grows. Worth appears in many forms: monetary, social, utility. Pioneers are alchemists of value. Not one grand gesture, thousands of small, meaningful acts. They are the builders of worth. It begins with a single step. Learn the idea. Read, watch, ask why. Then try. Theory meets practice. Share your honest experience, plant seeds, help others and improve the idea. Learn, try, share, help. Foundations of lasting value. Simple steps scaled by many create big outcomes. Anyone can begin today. Imagine a small, forgotten park. Weeds, broken benches, no visitors. One person decides to act, our pioneer. I thought it would be nice for our kids to play. The next day, 2 people pull weeds. Others join. Trust builds. Efforts coordinate. The park transforms. Clean paths, repaired benches, new equipment. Joy, connection, pride, value created from the ground up. Value is more than money. Connection, community, belonging. Shared knowledge makes ecosystems resilient. Trust is precious. Pioneers lay its foundation. Purpose, agency, camaraderie, psychological wealth. For many, that beats speculation. With trust, ideas survive and become dependable. Without it, even brilliance fails. Pioneering work pays in purpose and shared success. Value, forged, not found. Together we build what becomes valuable. This is the power of pioneers. And action is what makes value real. Let us return to the quote. Pi is worth what pioneers make it worth. Value is the result of human action, not passive potential. Music is silent until musicians play. Ideas are silent until pioneers act. Every small action is a brick in the foundation. Innovation is for everyone, power to the community. This is a call to action and shared responsibility. What will you do to make this idea worthwhile? The future is built by pioneers, starting now with you. Be curious, be brave, be a builder. Now what will you build?